To clean or replace the air filter on your Polaris XPEDITION XP or ADV, follow these steps.
Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, clean the area around the airbox. Cargo box lifted open for video purposes. Then, turn the 3/4 turn latches on the airbox cover and pull the cover out to remove. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, remove the filter by using a rocking and twisting motion. Inspect the filter for excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean the airbox and cover thoroughly with a clean shop rag. To install, push the air filter into the housing and ensure it is fully seated. Then, reinstall the airbox cover and secure the 3 cover latches. Finally, wipe any residual debris from around the airbox. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.